Hey guys, listen, I can't even contain myself. It's your girl, Miss Maren UK, and I have come to bring you some real hot spilling tea, some $1 trillion tea right now. Like, you gotta keep this on the DL because this is a limited time offer for a limited amount of people. Listen, money in minutes, money in minutes. Have you guys heard that people are literally making money in minutes? Do you know what in the binary options is going on? Well, it doesn't matter because today you get free access, but it's only a 2-day free trial and spaces are limited, and it's a limited time offer where you get to experience what so many others had. I'm talking hundreds of thousands. I'm talking, Matty, you took an account from a couple of $100s to over 2 mil and still going, still growing. That was in a year, guys. Guys, we're already in April, second quarter of the year. Don't you want to do something different to get what you've never had before? Well, here's the time. Who's ready to play? Where are all my money makers at? Because to be honest, that's the only people I'm talking to. I'm talking to those people who get out their head and get in their bag. Go to www.freemoneyinminutes.com. That's www.freemoneyinminutes.com. Make sure you go ahead and hit up that site today, and you will get the link that gives you access to all the tools, to all the things that you need to literally start earning in the next 2 days. It could be a very different Happy Friday for you guys. No fees, no obligations, so no problem. Guys, I'm gonna see you on the inside.
Hey, I said my money hit different. I can make 1,000 in a minute.